What's up, lawn care family? This is Vic of Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Today we got a serious cleanup. I'll show you in a second, but the cleanup was so major, we had to tell the customer that we had to price it by an hour, and we couldn't tell them how long it was going to take us. So I'm going to tell you, it's going to take probably half a day, if not longer. But I'm going to let you see the project as we're working. As you can see, it's a big yard. Of course, they want the yard mowed. We're going to take care of that. But here's the serious cleanup right here. Back to the front. Okay, family, we still over here on this project. We're a little over an hour in, and it's a lot of work. So I had to go out and get the big boy so we can get this job done. All right, family. We're about an hour and a half in. As you can see, we're doing a lot of cutting. A lot of things got to be cut down. So we getting there. They had a lot of these vines choking out the hedges, and we really had to cut them back. We couldn't trim them up. They were so overgrown. Look how thick that was. Had to bring out the chainsaw for some of that stuff. All right, family, we're still at it with a major cleanup. See what we've done so far. Still a lot of work left. I found out the customer does not want us to put the debris in the woods there, or her little forest. Well, not a forest, is it? The woods, yeah. And I did not quote a debris removal. Did not quote a debris removal. Also, it's so overgrown that I really need a pole saw, and I don't have a pole saw. So that means if I'm gonna do another job like this, I need to have a pole saw, because it's taking me too long to trim it with the trimmers, and the trimmer shouldn't be cutting anything that thick. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna give you a look at it, guys. All right, family, this is 3 hours in to a major cleanup. All right, family, we are 4 hours in. It's a major cleanup. All right, lawn care family, 5 hours. It took us 5 hours, and it took us 4 men, and I charged $75 an hour for 2 men. So with 4 men, of course, that's $150 an hour. So I'm gonna walk you around the front. Tell me what you think. All right, lawn care family, we chopped it all down. As you can see, a lot of it was rotten, so we had to chop it down. We could save those, so nicely done by me. And the client didn't want to do, he wants to do the rest of the house later. Check out the yard. Fresh to death. Gotta come back and haul that off. Quick tip, lawn care family. So we're finished with the customer over here, the major cleanup, and the customer wanted to pay me by check, which I don't have a problem with that. But he wanted an invoice. So boom. Remember, I talked to you guys about sending invoices through Yard Book. Going ahead and setting your customers up on that program. While I was out here, able to use my tablet used my cell phone data, went ahead and sent him over the invoice. He went ahead and paid me. He wanted the invoice before he paid me, which wasn't a problem. So that's one of the things of being professional, making sure that you are presenting yourself not like a person who just cut grass, but a business. And a lot of the customers respect that. All right, y'all. Hopefully that's a great tip.